Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there is a U pattern forming. Okay, and previously, that is from 2022 to 2023 till now, what we have seen, a U pattern is forming. After that, this level has not touched. Okay, now if you go previously from 2020, a high of around 2079 was there, and the same pattern is created. 2079 and 2079 is being tested here. Okay, for the third time it sustained this particular level, but it went from that particular zone, because I've already explained you that once a resistance being tested here, so third time when it comes, a probability of breaking that will be there, and it has already made half around 2089, and then from there it went down. Okay, these are the same pattern we have seen. Okay, this is an 8-month pattern where a continuous downfall we have seen. Now if this level sustain, yes, chances are, probability is high that it is sustaining. Okay, and once it move above a level of $2,000, then there is higher chances of going further upside, because then what we can see, the next resistance is at a level of 2037, then a level of 250, and then further upside. After that it will touch a level of $2089 and then further higher. So you have to understand this, that as soon as it move above a level of 2000, then a probability of going further upside we can see. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, this is a U pattern forming. After that there is an upside, so probability will be high that if the price fall below a level of 1962, then chances will be high that it will touch a level of $1952, which is already being a weak support. So then we can see it will for further low towards a level of 1937. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, if it moves below a level of 1964, then there is higher chances that it can go further down towards a level of 1952 and then further low. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, then the next support coming at a level of around $1967.62, and if that level move further low, then we can see a level of $1964. Okay, and once the price fall below 1964, then chances of going further low we can see it will come towards a level of around $1959. Why I'm telling you, because these are the some of the points where a profit booking can come or a bounce back can come. So once it move below $1959, then you can say it will fall further down towards a level of 1951. Okay, so once the price comes close to a 1951, then you can say yes, a probability that it will fall further low, and a probability of going towards a level of around 1938 is there. And if the price fall below that level, we can see it can go towards a level of $1931. Okay, so if the price fall below that level, then you can say it will come towards a level of 1912 and then further low, because then there is a pattern forming that you have to understand. It will come in this zone as soon as break this particular zone. So chances of touching a level of 1911 is there, and from there it will come below a level of 1900. Okay, now understand something. Market is always uncertain. If you are predicting that the trend, you can say that the trend is upside, but if you look at the volatility is high, or if it breaks this particular trend, then a probability that it will move further upside, or if it break upside, then a further upside we can see. Okay, so always try to set your SL so that your capital can be saved. Always trail your SL so that your profit can be saved. Okay, if your capital can be saved, then you can trade more trades, and a probability of winning is higher side. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain, chances are high because it has already formed a U pattern here, and after that it is trying to form it has bounced back from this particular level and sustaining that particular zone. So chances are high it will touch a level of $1974.6, and if that level sustain, it will a probability of going towards a level of 1975.83 is there, and then it can go towards a level of 1982, and we can see a level of 1988 also if the price sustain this level. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it will go towards a level of around $1973.16, and if that level move further upside, then we can see a level of $1977. Once it sustain above that level, we can see it will cross after $1977. Keep that in mind, that chances are very high it will go towards a level of around $87, and if the price sustain above that level, it will go above that level and we can see a level of 1994. Okay, so once it sustain this level, chance of touching 1987 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1919. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, we can see a level of $2016, and if the price move above that particular zone, then we can see a level of around $2024. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, we can see a level of $2040, and then further upside with the price sustain this level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.